Now AI can assist you in editing your videos like never before. While AI can't completely replace manual editing, but Wondershare has inserted all the AI features in the Filmora video editor. It can convert a long video or podcast into engaging shorts, it can generate perfect background music according to your video, or you can enter your text with no copyright issue. It can automatically reframe the video into any ratio, it can translate the video into any language. Filmora comes with a built-in image generator. It can convert your script into a video using stock footages and auto captions. It can detect and remove the silent part from the audio. It comes with AI text-to-speech and AI voice cloning and a lot of other features like AI video enhancer, AI color grading, planar tracking, multi-camera editing, AI portrait cutout, AI face mosaic, AI object remover, AI sticker generator, and a lot more that make Filmora the most powerful and AI video editor. Let's get started. Simply go to description and download the Filmora app into your phone, Windows or Mac. It is available for all devices. Let's convert a long podcast into short clips. For that I am using that Ronaldo's podcast. Open Filmora, go to Toolbox. Here the first feature is Smart Short Clips. Here you can enter the link of YouTube video, but I am uploading it from my device. Now choose the video's original language, choose duration, I suggest 30 to 60 seconds. In theme, choose video podcast, or other according to your video. Choose a captions template, and hit generate. Now AI will work for you, it may take some time. Here it has generated multiple videos.
Yeah, it'll take a while, but yeah.
Take a while.
Right now we're on 320 million.
Did you see my...
If you like a video you can directly export it, or you can edit it. Here you can see the complete timeline. I am amazed to see how deeply it edited that. It split the screen, and it also added sound effects. You can completely edit the video. After done, simply export the video. We'll upload a footage and AI will automatically generate music for it. Click on this smart BGM generation. I am uploading this footage. Choose a resolution, and click on Start. I think this is perfect music for it. If you don't like it you can regenerate it. In Filmora, they have some built-in tools. Click on Audio, and go to AI Music. Choose a mood, theme, and genre. Go to Settings, select a tempo. Tempo is the speed at which a piece of music is played. Select music duration, music count, and hit generate. Click on AI sound effect. Here you can generate sound effects using AI. Enter your text. Let's try keyboard typing. Click on Settings. Here you can choose the duration and number of SFX. Finally, hit generate. They are extremely perfect. Click on Text-to-Speech, then click on Start. Enter your text, select your language. Hindi, India, is also available. Select a voice, choose speed, pitch, and hit generate.
Hi, my name is Barry.
I know they are basic features, but they all come built-in, meaning you can use them directly while editing. Let's translate the language of a video. It comes with voice cloning and lip sync. Open Filmora, here import the video. This is my previous video, I am translating it. Click on Titles, then on Translate. Select the source language, then the target language. I selected Hindi, and hit Translate. Here the video is translated. मुझे एक आला मिला जो हजारों कमाता है. लोग कहानियों से प्यार करते हैं और हम उन्हें अंग्रेजी में बनाएंगे. पश्चिमी दर्शकों के लिए आप लंबा 1 या 2 घंटे का वीडियो बना सकते हैं जिससे विज्ञापन राजस्व बढ़ेगा. मैं आपको सब कुछ विस्तार से बताऊंगा, लेकिन YouTube पर पहले 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स और 4000 घंटे वॉच टाइम पूरा करना बड़ी चुनौती है. इसमें हजारों व्यूज और महीनों लगेंगे. इससे आपको एक पैसा भी नहीं मिलेगा. मेरे पास समाधान है. आप पूर्व मुद्रा प्राप्त YouTube खाते खरीद सकते हैं जो कार्बनिक रूप से मुद्रीकृत हैं और पश्चिमी दर्शक हैं. इससे आप पहले दृश्य से पैसा कमा सकते हैं. लिंक विवरण में है. चलो. You can edit the video completely. Filmora AI can automatically change the ratio of any video. Click on Auto Reframe, import the video. I have this dancing footage. Here choose the ratio, select the motion speed, I suggest auto, and hit analyze. Here the motion is perfectly detected. You can directly extract, but I am adding it to the timeline. Here you can edit the video freely. Filmora AI can track the face, and automatically blur it. Open Filmora's toolbar, select AI Face Mosaic, upload the video. It is processing. Now both faces are blurred, but you can deselect any. It has perfectly tracked the face. Open Filmora Editor, click on Stock Media, then on AI Image. Here enter your prompt. Choose a style where you can leave general, select ratio according to your project, and hit Generate. The images are generated, and they are pretty awesome. Click on Stickers, enter prompt, choose a style, and hit Generate. Honestly, I love them, they are extremely perfect. With all these features, Filmora simplifies video editing like never before. Ready to give it a try? Head to the description and download the Filmora app on your preferred device.